Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the group markers, those small plus or minus boxes and gray outline bars at the left or top. You need to know whether grouping covers entire rows, columns, or just a selection. This matters because ungrouping will change structure. Once done, make sure to save or create a copy of the file. That backup prevents accidental loss. You will use the Data ribbon next, so switch to Data now and keep the group indicators visible as you proceed. With the group markers visible, select the exact rows or columns that are grouped. You want to include any header rows that control the outline. Then use the Data ribbon, click on Group, or for speed press Alt plus Shift plus left arrow. This removes the grouping while leaving data intact. If the outline buttons are disabled, open Data Outline and enable Show Outline or Adjust settings so the controls appear. Once done, verify the sheet layout. Collapsed levels should expand back to normal. To finish, confirm all groups are removed. If multiple levels existed, use Clear Outline and Data to wipe all grouping at once, which prevents lingering nested groups. If grouping seems to persist, check for hidden rows or columns and verify the sheet isn't protected, because protection can block changes. Once done, make sure formulas still reference intended ranges. If something broke, restore from your backup and reapply grouping selectively. One key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.